Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your PayPal password. First, open the PayPal website or launch the mobile app on your device. Then, log in to your account using your existing email address and password. Once logged in, locate and click on the Settings or Profile icon, which typically looks like a small gear. This will take you to your account overview, where you can manage various aspects of your profile. After navigating to your settings, you will need to find the Security tab. This section is dedicated to protecting your account and managing your login details. Within the security options, locate the specific link or button that says Password or Change Your Password. Clicking this will direct you to a new page where you can begin the process of updating your login credentials. On the password change page, you will first be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. Next, carefully type your new, strong password into the designated field. Remember to use a combination of at least 8 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Then, re-enter this new password in the confirmation box to ensure there are no typos. Before finalizing, take a moment to review your newly entered password to confirm it is exactly as you intend. Once you are satisfied, click the Change Password or Save button to apply the update. PayPal will then process your request, and you should receive a confirmation message on screen or via email, indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Remember to update any password managers you use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.